Magandang tanghali po.
Basta tayo ngayon?
Tayo ay pupunta sa dealership dahil para mapaayos finally, hopefully, itong sasakyang ito.
Anong problema ng sasakyan natin?
So, noong late last year, siguro around September, yung anak namin, ito kasi yung dinadala niya, ay napansin na hindi na siya nakapag-remote start. And so, tinignan namin, ginawa ko lahat doon sa app, upload ko ulit ito doon sa Carnet, walang nag-work. So, sabi din nila ako sa dealership, they troubleshot yung and na-discover nila na it was a faulty GPS module. Syempre, because under warranty, everything is warranty, matagal bago dumating yung part. So, nung tumawag ako, sabi po pwede na raw nilang ayusin. So yun, papunta ngayon kami sa dealership para paltan yung part na iyon. Hopefully, mag-work. And I'm not being skeptic, pero kasi nabasa ko sa mga vlog online na merong iba na almost similar din ang problema. Kahit pinaltan yung part, nagkaroon pa rin hindi pa rin nag-work. So, ang maganda, yung faulty part na iyon ay hindi naman nakaka-affect sa performance ng vehicle. Wala. I mean, it's still driving. Yung safety naman, it doesn't compromise yung safety. The problem is yung para bang
It's the convenience.
The convenience, and kasi binayaran mo na tapos hindi mo nagagamit ng buo lahat yung binili mo. So yun lang naman. I know it's first world problems, pero at the same time, you paid for it. So, lugi ka sa sabi ko hindi mo nagagamit yung feature na yun.
But you can still use the remote starter.
Oh yeah, doon sa kanyang
using his keys.
Yeah, yung sa key fob niya.
Yeah,
Nagagamit
key
pa
fob.
naman niya. It's just that sa app hindi niya nagagamit. So yun, papunta kami ngayon doon. Ang appointment is 1:30, so they'll probably get there around maybe a little after 1:20. And hopefully ay maayos na nila. Nag-leave ako para dito. Kasi yung service sa na naman dito, service division nila dito, it's open Monday through Saturday. Ang problema, it's the qualified personnel na pwedeng mag-ayos noon. The guy was only available today. Friday available sana, but there was already mga prior na engagement, so hindi ko na-move doon. So hopefully nga ay maayos itong ang problema nga ito today. Pero nakita niyo naman maulan, and kanina pa yan, madaling araw pa lang umulan na. Umuulan yata ang forecast buong araw.
Oh, the ID bus.
ID Bazoo.
Dito na kami. Okay. Dito na kami. Waiting time. It's waiting. Is that a Tiguan?
Yeah.
The new one? They got a new Tiguan here. How much is it now? Yeah, this is the 2026 Volkswagen Tiguan. Just like ours, the R-Line. Sobrang init.
Yeah, I know. I went ahead and lowered it. Much better.
Pero mas maganda yung yung bagong Tiguan,
Oh yeah.
Kasi hindi pa ganong mahal.
Oh yeah, this one's gonna be
Like
expensive.
within our budget talaga yung Tas top of the line pa rin
Mhm.
R-Line at saka pa rin SEL.
Ito na may ganyan din, yeah.
Yeah, this is R-Line
Mga laki,
SEL. Mas malaki. Reminds me of our Jeep Cherokee.
Yeah.
Parang ganun lang, no? Yan.
Hey Volkswagen, can you cool the seats?
Okay. seats now.
Okay, cool. How's it driving?
It's the same, it's just bigger, you know?
About ano? Yun ang nami-miss ko Han sa ano, sa Subaru.
What's that?
Yung ikay patitigil, sila ang magtitigil kapag na nila. Nami-miss ko yun.
Oh, yung
Yung
eyesight.
eyesight nila. Na talaga sila yung pipigil talaga at magbe-brake for you. Kapag na-calculate nila na medyo mabagal yung nasa unahan at you're too fast. Tumila na rin. Saan tayo dumating?
But dito ako nagagandahan talaga.
Yung this one ano?
Yeah, these are... Let's go.
Yeah, papark na lang natin dito. Yan, nandito na ulit. It's a nice one. This is the Golf. I know Nick would love this. The Volkswagen Golf. See? It's but this one is 55,000 for the small car.
So let me pay you a bunch of money for your car. And put you in something new.
Oh, let me take a look at it first. So, because that's what she wants. Is the Tiguan. Because just to get ready for my son.